Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide your Facebook friend list on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to hide your Facebook friend lists, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook app and here just tap on the menu option in the bottom right. Now very first go to your profile page and here you can see there are my friends. Here I have only one friend. So just tap on these three dots under your profile, then select view as and you can see how people can find your profile. Here you can see that anyone will open my profile, they can easily find all my friends here. So now I'm going to hide this. So you just have to simply go back from here and just have many option. Then tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Scroll down until you find how people can find you and contact you. Just select that. And here just select who can see your friend list. You just have to simply tap on that option. And from here you have to select only me. Here you have different options that you can select public if you have selected public so anyone can see your friend list on or off Facebook, or the second one is only your friend can see your friend list, or the third one friends accept. So if you select this option you just have to select some friends who cannot see your friend list, or the fourth option is specific friend. If you have selected this one so only your friends you selected can see your friend list, other people cannot see your friend list. Or the last one is only me. So if you have selected only me, just tap on save option here. Now no one can see your friend list. So let's check it out. Just go to the menu option, then tap on settings and privacy, or go to your profile option here. And here tap on three dots. Tap on view as. And now this time you can see that there's no any friends option or any friends profile and my profile page. So in this way you can easily hide your Facebook friends. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.